Hi, this is Usma Hafiz. Welcome to my channel TSP Tech Series. If you're facing problem in selecting your students when you throw a question in the class, or if you want to engage your students if they are not taking interest in class, so this tool is for you. Today I am going to tell you a tool that can help you in managing your class. So let's start. The tool that we are going to see is Random Selector. First, open your browser and write the link in the browser. Don't worry for the link, it is mentioned in the description below. Now there are three options available here: edit names, new, share and embed. Let's go for edit names. Here you can see there is a list of students available here. You can add your students and you can also edit them, like I'm going to enter a new name. And you can add more names here. After making this list, you can click on submit. Now in this spinner all the names are displaying. Now if you click on this center button, the spinner will start spinning and it will select a random name. Now you can click on remove name so that this name will not appear again, and if you want to continue, you can click on continue. I'm going to click it again. Now another name will be selected. Okay, now if you want to save this list for the future, you can click on save this list. Now you have to provide a password, so only you can edit it later. So I'm going to write a password here. Now if you can see, there is a link generated here. Copy this link and save it somewhere so that you can use it in the later classes. Like I have saved this, I have clicked on copy, and now I have closed the previous tab. Now I'm going to click this link again here. Now if you can see, the names that we have entered are already saved in it. I hope that you find this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please click the like button below. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about technology for teachers and students. Thanks for watching.